Hey guys, Mike here with Dexter. Today we have a broken latch assembly on our door. We have a kit here we're going to use to replace it, 990001-01. Everything you need in here for your kit to replace it. We have instructions, we have the latch assembly, 6 screws, your keeper, strike plate, and foam tape. The only thing you'll need today to do this is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. So first things first is we're going to remove these 2 screws on the latch assembly. Then you're going to take your new latch assembly, stick it on, get the screw started. There are 2 slots in here, so you can adjust it left or right, depending on how tight you need the door to close up against the strike plate. We don't want to over tighten these, just snug them up. If you need to, we can replace the strike plate. It's just removing 2 screws and putting the 2 screws back in, same holes. There are stoppers that you just slide them straight up against the frame. So we're going to test this, and see here it does not catch. So we're going to just loosen this up a little bit and slide it over. Test it again, and there it is. Okay, next, if you need to replace your keeper, you're just going to remove the 2 screws in there. To grab your new keeper, put it on. There are also 2 slots in the keeper, so you can adjust it for how the screen door sits or catches. So here we're going to test this. And you can see it doesn't catch on the door. So we're just going to loosen these up again. Just a little bit. Slide it down. And we can also close it just to see exactly where it needs to be. Just hold the latch up and slide the keeper down. And then you're going to hold it in place and just screw it in. And there you go.